Here's the internals here. Now this is not a LED TV. This is has these mercury tubes. And the reason why I know that is because usually the lines that go to the back of the TV, they go right through the panel here, but it goes to this inverter board, and this long inverter board will connect to the mercury tube. So unfortunately, they don't really sell, well, you could get mercury tubes, but they're really fragile and they're hard to ship. So these mercury TVs, when the tubes go, I would say it's kind of time to update your TV, because the mercury tubes are not too safe if they break. They get murky in the air. So unfortunately for this one, I'm just going to leave it. The actually turned on, so it's actually working. So that's a good thing. I'll just make sure one of the tubes may be going, but it did work. Yeah. Let's make sure the connector's okay. Yeah, everything looks okay. So it's just probably some of these tubes. I'll see if I have a couple. I don't think I do. I think I got rid of most of them. Here's the example of the tubes here. They're almost like the fluorescent tubes that you would use before, but I'm not sure if these are working either. Since the TV is working and the power supply board looks okay, I'm just going to return it to them until it actually doesn't work again, until one really burns out, and then we can try to replace these, because I just don't want to take this whole thing apart, and I don't know if these are the right length and stuff like that. So yeah. So the TV does turn on. It could have been a loose connection. Just the transportation could have helped the connection go back. So I know that, yeah, you can take off the screen and have a look at that stuff, but it does take quite a bit of work, and you have to use suction cups and stuff like that. So I'm just going to leave it until it totally fails, and then you can bring it back and we can have a look at it. So you can see that the TV is turning on. So yeah, it could have been just a connection issue, but it's working now, so that's great.
So hopefully this has fixed your problem. If it has, give a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I am an author as well on Amazon. So if you want to support the channel, you can go to amazon.com or .ca and type in my name. It's Benjamin Newson. And I've just recently published a couple books. My very first novel is called Heart of Stone. It's an interesting story about the end times. And this guy's having dreams, and then his dreams become real in a science fiction novel. I also have other book called Unlocking Your Mind, about memory tricks for studying techniques, as I'm a teacher, so several years there. And Over the Great Wall, I've written about my life experiences 7 years abroad in China. So have a good day, and I'll see you in the next repair video.